Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss new scenario in Power BI. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding different technologies like SSIS, SQL set development, performance training, and Power BI and DAX. Okay. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Okay, so category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported to design this report under. So, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding a relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. So for that, click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse here, you can see that based on the product key, I have enabled the relationship between the product table and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and fact. We'll try to explore more options in upcoming videos. So how to detect automatic relationship or how to create manual relationship. We'll try to see all kind of possible options that are available in the Power BI desktop. So for timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. Just click on report. Now we can see that. So here we have three tables. So this is table, this is the table, and one slicer. So what I'm doing here is, so I have created one separate table for displaying the sales range. Okay, so for creating the sales range, I have created a separate table. I'll try to show what it is. So just click on product range, so go to the data column, click on here. Now you can see that we have four columns here. One is sales range, minimum value, maximum value, index. So in sales range, so I am just displaying 0 to 999 and 1000 to 5000, 5000 to so 10,000. Likewise, I have entered the values, and minimum values 0, 1000, 5001, 10,001, and maximum values 999, 5000, 10,000, 50,000, something like that. Even I have created as another column index. Why I have created here is because while displaying in the report, it's not giving properly, I mean in sorting purpose. So that is the reason I have created index as a helper column to sorting whether you want to see the ascending or descending. So based on that, so I have created this index column. So what about the sales range I have dragged into the report. So we'll try to understand what it is. So here, so the requirement is, so based on the sales range, I want to find the number of products. Okay, so based on the sales range, I want to find the number of product sales. Okay, number of products that are available. For example, in 0 to 999, so how many products are there? 11. 1000 to 5000, 20 products. 5001 to 10,000, 90. So likewise, so between this sales range, how many products? For example, greater than 10 lakhs, you can see 5 products. We'll try to validate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here for 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, so how many? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's giving correct. So but if you see, total is 606, but here 158. So the difference is, so in my product table I have 606 rows are there, products. Okay, in my product table I have 606 products are there, but only the sales which are contained products are 158 only. So only 158 products having the sales, remaining products they don't have sales. So that is the reason in this measure we have showing the 606, but in this what are the products we have the sales, only those products we are counting. Even we can slice the data, for example, if you want. So in this date range, so in this date range I'm trying to find the, based on the sales range, I'm just calculating the how many products are there. So 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, now you can see. So how many products? 6. So likewise, so we can find, so even you can adjust the date range also, there's no problem at all. We can slice it. So now we can see that, so between 5 lakh to 10 lakhs, how many? 2. See, between 5 lakhs, how many? 2, it's showing, right? So for example, if you want to do more, we can see 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, it's giving correct only. So likewise, based on the date range, we can find the how many products in the sales range. Okay, but here we are displaying the overall products, whether the product having sales or not. But in this case, I'm just displaying only the products which are having the sales. I'm just taking this count. So here 606, but in this case, so it's giving 133 based on this date range. Whether if we do the changes, automatically it's getting affected here. Right, it's working, right? So 30 31, we can slice anything, it works. So likewise, I have designed the report. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forward. Thank you so much.